Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a look at a piece of equipment that you can use for your smartphone. Now, this is the PopGrip Slide Stretch PopSockets, okay? Now this is one I haven't seen before, and I'm sure that others may have, but I haven't seen this one, so I wanted to check it out and see how it worked and see how it looked. And we're going to go ahead and try it on a couple of phones to see how effective it is. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now you can get this from Best Buy. It's $14.99. And you can actually switch out the pop sockets as well. So this is you can change this and put another pop socket on top if you wanted to. So that's pretty cool. But I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, so the pop socket comes in this little packet right here. It's got a little plastic there, so we're going to pull that off to get this out. All right, just pretty simple. This has got a little example there of how you use it. Put it on the back of your phone, and you can slide it up and down. All right. Now, again, here's a pop socket. It's very light. Here's how you pull it out. It's got a little rubber area underneath there that you open and close with. And this grip right here can stretch out. And it's got springs in it, or it's springy. So now I don't know how far out this will go. I don't think this will hold a really big phone. I'm gonna use a iPhone 11 today, but I think there's gonna be a stretch to get it over a bigger phone, but it might fit though. Now this can come off. This right here can come off if you wanted to, and you can switch it out, all right? But this is a black one. They got a white one as well. All right, so this is the iPhone 11 Pro. This is a pretty small phone. We're gonna put this in there and see what it looks like. That fit pretty easily. So you pull this out and you got a good way to hold your phone with no problem. A lot of versatility there. You can get around the phone really good. You can also use it as a kickstand like that. And it won't work that way, but it does sit up flat on this thing right here, but it doesn't work that way. But you can use it that way for a kickstand, all right? Now let's try another device to see how it works. Now this is the S10 Plus, the Galaxy S10 Plus. These are models, by the way, not real phones. So let's put this on and see how it gets in. This is a little bit wider than that one, so it did fit. So it's the Galaxy S10 Plus, so it fit that one. All right, so you can use this and this gives you a lot of flexibility. And what I like about this, you can take it on and off, and you can also slide this up and down. So you can put it where you want it, right? So that's good. Lots of versatility there. All right, you can put it wherever you want it on the phone, and you can take it off. You don't stick it on anything. So that's the other good thing about this one. And I don't really like to stick things on the back of my phone, so it's good to have that. Now let's check out the S20 Ultra. This is a little bigger phone, taller anyway, but it's not as wide, not much wider. Let's put this in and see what it looks like. These are all models, all right? So it fit that pretty well. All right, the S20 Ultra, okay? Now, let's put this other model of the Note 10 Plus, all right? So this is a pretty wide phone. Let's put this on and see how that works. So it fits that one as well. So there's a Note 10 Plus, this fit that one as well. So these are models right here. And I think this will fit over a case as well. Now, let me try this is the Note 20 Ultra. This is a real phone with a case. So let's see how that works. See if we can get around that. Okay, so it fit around that with a case. That's pretty cool. I just put it on and it's stretched out to the case. So that's pretty cool. I like this. This is going to be good to use when you want to have some more security and versatility to use your phone. You can see you can get around the phone really good because you got this in the back right there. And let's move these out to the side. You can use it as a kickstand as well. So that's pretty cool. This is gonna be one of my favorites right here. Now the only thing is that, let me get these to the side here. And there's no wireless charge. You can slide this down probably. If you slide this down, you're probably gonna be able to get wireless charge on your case. So let's see if we can do that. Okay, so we got the wireless charger. As you can see, if it's in the middle, you're not gonna be able to charge your device. All right, it's too thick. All right, but let's slide this down. If you put it at a different spot, let's say put it further down on the bottom. And what I did was I just moved this and it slid onto the device. All right, it wasn't as hard the first time. So now let's put this down and see what happens. So it picked up wireless charge with this. You saw that, right? It's charging right now. You can see that wireless charging working, and that's because I set this down at the bottom, and you still have this piece here that can get to the device. So that's pretty cool. All right, and the phone is still not touching this flat, but it's close enough where the coil is so you can get the charging going. Okay, so that's pretty cool. This is going to be great to use every day. I recommend, and I like this already. Okay, so that was a quick review of the PopGrip Slide Stretch Pop Socket. All right, this is something I haven't seen before, but I wanted to check it out, and it works really well. Very versatile. You can take it on and off. You don't have to stick anything. You can slide it up and down to position it differently, and it works with wireless charging. Okay, so I would check this out. I recommend it, and I think it's worth the buy. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.